Hello everyone, today I am here with a new chapter. Chapter 7, Exploring MS Excel 2007. Here in this chapter you will learn about 8 topics. Inserting rows and columns, inserting worksheets, inserting cells, resizing row height and column width, deleting worksheets, rows, columns and cells, alignments of data in a cell, autofill options and editing data. But today I am going to talk about the first 4 points in this video. Let me start. How to insert a row and a column. Therefore, I am using this small database which I created halfway. Okay, now I want to add a title to the database. Therefore, I have to insert a row here in the top. To insert a row, first I must select the row label. So I select the first row. Then go to Cell Group in the Home tab. You can see here Insert drop-down list. Click on it. Then select Insert Sheet Rows option. So a new row is inserted above the selected row. And there is another simple method. Let me undo the previous step. Okay, now I select the row label again and right click on it and select Insert option from the shortcut menu. Got it? It's quite easy. So I can type my title here. Let me type Salary Payments of month June 2020 and I would like to merge it. Let me merge. Okay. Next, I am going to add a column here to enter allowance that should be added to the payslip. Now, let me show you how to insert a column. You can follow the same method. Select the column label, go to Cells Group on the Home tab and click on Insert drop-down list. Select Insert Sheet Columns or select the column label and right click on it. Select Insert option. Now I can type the allowance. Next one is inserting worksheets. Sometimes the default number of sheets available is not enough for your work. Therefore, you must add more sheets. So you can follow these easy methods. Click on the Home tab as we did previously. Click Insert drop-down list in the cell group. This time you must click Insert Sheet option. That's it. If not, there is another easy method. Just click on the Insert Worksheet tab here. Okay? And also you can use a quick key to insert a new worksheet. Just press Shift and F11 function key. Next, I am going to explain how to insert a cell. So I would like to fill these cells with a color and add borders to them. Next, I type a random number here for you to see clearly what will happen when I add a cell here. Okay, let me start. First, I select the cell where I need a new cell. Then, go to the Cells group on the Home tab as usual. Then click on the Insert drop-down list and select Insert Cells option. Here the Insert dialog box appears. Now you can see 4 options. Let me show them to you one by one. You can see the cell address C12 here. Look carefully at what will happen when I add a cell here. Okay then. First, I select the Shift Cells Right option and click OK. Did you see what happened? The data, what was in C12, shifted to the right. Okay, let me undo it to show the next option. See, the next option is Shift Cells Down. It shifts the contents of the selected cell down to make space for the new data. Undo. So, if you select entire row, it inserts a blank row by shifting the contents of the selected cells down. Okay, let me do it again. And if you select entire column, it inserts a blank column by shifting the contents of the selected cells to the right. Now I think you understood the differences of each option and its uses. Next, let me show you how to resize the row height and column width. Sometimes you need to adjust the default heights of a row and the width of a column. There are 2 ways to do this. To resize the selected row, you can drag the lower line of the row label up or down like this. And a selected column can be resized in the similar manner by dragging the line on the right of the column label inwards or outwards. Got it? If you want to get all the cells in the same height or width, you can do it at once by following the following steps. Okay, we will change the row height first. So, click on the row label, go to Home tab, Cells group, and click on the Format drop-down list. Here, you must click on the row height option to change the height of the row and enter a numerical value and click OK. You see the row height has changed. If you want to change the column width, select the column, then click on the Format drop-down list. Next, you must select column width option and enter a numerical value, then click OK. Got it? So, I hope you enjoyed my lesson and it's clear to you all. See you soon with the rest of the 4 points which I mentioned in the beginning.